Hi guys, good morning. We are here in Bight of Seattle. Ayan, mayroon tayong Philippine flag. Ibig sabihin dyan, may pagkain din na Pinoy. And then we're here in the Space Needle. Today is the first day of Bight of Seattle. Dami na kaagad tao. So, gusto nyo ng Pinoy pagkain. Ayan, may Philippine flag. May Philippine flag tayo dito, guys. I have to send something. I like Bight of Seattle. Oh, I think I wanna go there later, huh? I like that one in there. So, hindi mamaya. Ayan o, ang dami o. Oh, may street food pala.
Saan?
Ayan o. I want the street food.
Pero orderin mo. Diba? Ulit.
Hindi ka makakakain niya kung hindi mo orderin. Hanggang picture na lang tayo. Ayan, ang dami mo. No, you have to let them know. So, dito guys, iba-ibang klase ng pagkain. Lahat ng klase ng bansa. Oh. May mga bilihan din. Pero mamaya na tayo dyan kakain. Ikot muna tayo. Ikot muna kami guys.
What do you guys think?
Gusto niyo ng American food. Lahat ng klase. Ako gusto ko yata mamaya ano. Oh, okay. So that's the one. Alam niyo na. Alam niyo na kung ano yung gusto kong pagkain dito. Ano naman to? Oh, nachos. Or Han, my favorite. Nachos mamaya. Seafood. Okay, so if you want this, you can go ahead and get it.
Little piggies?
Mag-picture pa